question for you. Would you kiss someone if their tongue looked like this? That awkward moment when it's your tongue that looks like that? Hey guys, Christina here, back with another dental question. Today's question is, why is it important to keep your tongue clean? The answer is pretty simple. Here it is. So the tongue is actually kind of like a carpet. So by the end of the day, you've been eating and drinking, it collects a lot of gunk, and that gunk causes a few issues. Issue number one, if you don't brush your tongue, you get a higher overall bacterial load. So you might have already known this, but our mouth contains a lot of bacteria. What you might not have known is that the majority of that bacteria actually lives on our tongue. So if you're not brushing your tongue regularly, you have that much more bacteria in your mouth, including potentially harmful bacteria such as cavity-causing and periodontal disease-causing bacteria. So if you don't want that to happen, make sure to brush your tongue. All right, issue number two, if you don't brush your tongue, it might seem kind of like common sense, but I'll say it anyway. You can get bad breath. There are actually a few different sources for bad breath. If you guys want more info on that, I'll leave a link in the description below to a video I made on that topic. But in this video, all I'm gonna say is the tongue is one of the sources of bad breath. So if you want to avoid that, make sure to brush your tongue. Issue number three, if you don't brush your tongue, it can actually alter your sense of taste. That bacteria that you accumulate on your tongue over the course of the day or whatever, it covers your taste buds. So the next time you eat, you're eating your meal plus whatever's left over from your last meal or last meals. So you have this altered sense of taste. So if you want to enjoy your food's true flavors, make sure to brush your tongue. Okay, issue number four, if you really don't brush your tongue for a long period of time, your tongue starts looking kind of hairy, like literally hairy. Like this. See, what happens is our tongue is kind of like our skin. And when we're in the shower and we're scrubbing our skin, we're removing the dead skin cells. Well, with the tongue, when we're brushing our tongue or scraping our tongue, we're removing dead tongue cells. If you don't do that, your tongue cells or taste bud cells just kind of keep growing and they don't shed properly, and eventually they start looking hairy. Again, literally hairy. So if you want to avoid your tongue looking like this, make sure to brush your tongue regularly. Okay, so if I've convinced you that you need to brush your tongue, you're like, Christina, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna start tonight. How do I do it? Glad you asked. Stick around for my next video where I'll be showing you on my own tongue how to clean it properly, and more specifically, how to clean it without making yourself gag, if that's an issue for you. Alrighty, if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Remember, I'm here for you, so if you have any dental questions or any topics you want me to cover in my videos, just comment them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to get more cool videos like this one in your feed. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care of your teeth.